Australia, a continent forged in isolation, a land of ancient origins. Evolution has charted its own course here, creating creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Kangaroos, koalas, and platypuses, glimpses into a world teeming with unique life. Australia's landscapes are a tapestry of rugged mountains, deserts, and rainforests. This geography creates diverse habitats, each with fascinating characters. From insects to whales, Australian wildlife thrives in extremes. It is a story of resilience and survival. For millions of years, they have weathered harsh climates and fierce competition. This struggle has led to remarkable adaptations. Australia's wilderness is not just for our enjoyment. It is a delicate, interconnected ecosystem. Every species plays a vital role in maintaining this harmony. Venture into the Daintree rainforest, a living relic older than the Amazon. Here, cassowaries stalk the forest floor, while brightly colored parrots flit through the canopy. Journey west and the landscape transforms into an arid expanse. The fiery hues of the outback conceal a surprising abundance of life. Thorny devils extract moisture from the morning dew, while wedge-tailed eagles soar on thermal currents. Along Australia's vast coastline, a different kind of magic unfolds. The Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of coral and marine life, stretches for over 1,400 miles. Whales migrate through its warm waters, while sea turtles return to lay their eggs. From the snow-capped peaks of the Australian Alps to Ningaloo Reef, Australia's ecosystems are breathtaking. They remind us of nature's creativity and the importance of protecting these treasures. Australia's wildlife, though resilient, is facing unprecedented challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, invasive species, these threats loom large, pushing many unique creatures towards the brink. The plight of Australia's endangered species is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the urgent need for action. The iconic koala, once abundant, is now struggling to survive as eucalyptus forests, their primary food source, are cleared for development. The Tasmanian devil, a fierce marsupial found only on the island state of Tasmania, is battling a deadly facial tumor disease that has decimated its population. The threats are complex and interconnected. Climate change is exacerbating existing pressures, bringing more frequent and intense bushfires, droughts, and heat waves. These extreme events can devastate wildlife populations and disrupt delicate ecosystems, pushing already vulnerable species closer to extinction. The situation is dire, but not without hope. Across the continent, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect Australia's threatened wildlife and the habitats they depend upon. Conservation in Australia is a multifaceted effort, a tapestry woven from scientific research, community engagement, and on-the-ground action. From restoring degraded habitats to controlling invasive predators, every effort is being made to turn the tide for Australia's most vulnerable creatures. One shining example of successful conservation is the reintroduction of the bilby to fenced reserves in arid regions of Australia. These small nocturnal marsupials, once widespread, had vanished from much of their former range due to predation by introduced cats and foxes. Within the safety of these predator-free havens, bilby populations are rebounding, offering a beacon of hope for the future of this endangered species. Similarly, the Tasmanian devil, facing extinction in the wild due to a contagious cancer, is finding new hope in carefully managed insurance populations on mainland Australia. These disease-free populations serve as a vital safeguard against extinction, while researchers work tirelessly to develop a cure for the devastating facial tumor disease. The harsh realities of Australian life have forced its wildlife to develop extraordinary adaptations, a testament to nature's ingenuity. The thorny devil, a lizard that looks like it crawled straight out of a fairy tale, collects moisture on its spiny back and channels it to its mouth, a remarkable adaptation for surviving in the arid outback. The grey mangrove, a denizen of Australia's coastlines, thrives in salty, oxygen-deprived mudflats. Its aerial roots, resembling snorkels, protrude from the mud, allowing the tree to breathe even when submerged by the tide. The male lyrebird, a master of mimicry, can imitate an astonishing array of sounds, from the calls of other birds to the click of a camera shutter, using its impressive vocal repertoire to attract a mate. These adaptations, honed over millennia, are not just fascinating examples of evolution in action. They are also a source of inspiration for scientists and engineers, offering potential solutions to human challenges in areas like water conservation and materials science. Section 6. Ancient Wisdom for a Modern World. For tens of thousands of years, Aboriginal Australians have lived in harmony with this land, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Their deep understanding of the land and its creatures, passed down through generations of storytelling, dance, and art, holds invaluable lessons for conservation in the 21st century. Aboriginal fire management practices, for example, have long been recognized for their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems and reducing the risk of catastrophic bushfires. By conducting controlled burns during cooler months, Aboriginal people create a patchwork of vegetation at different stages of regrowth, promoting biodiversity and reducing fuel loads for future fires. Similarly, Aboriginal knowledge of animal behavior, plant uses, and sustainable harvesting practices offers valuable insights for managing natural resources and ensuring their long-term health. By incorporating traditional ecological knowledge into modern conservation efforts, we can learn from the past to create a more sustainable future. Section 7. Discoveries in a Land of Wonders. Australia's wilderness is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, a living laboratory where researchers are constantly uncovering new species and unlocking the secrets of the natural world. From the depths of the ocean to the tops of the highest mountains, there is always something new to learn, a reminder that we have only just begun to scratch the surface of this continent's mysteries. In recent years, scientists have discovered new species of spiders that mimic bird droppings to evade predators, glow-in-the-dark fungi that illuminate the forest floor at night, and even a fish that can survive out of water for days. These discoveries highlight the incredible diversity of life that still awaits our attention, and the importance of continued exploration and research. Advances in technology, such as remote sensing and environmental DNA analysis, are revolutionizing our ability to study and monitor wildlife populations, providing crucial data for conservation efforts. By harnessing the power of technology and collaboration, we can unlock the secrets of Australia's wilderness and ensure its protection for generations to come. Section 8. A Shared Responsibility. The future of Australia's wildlife rests in our hands. As stewards of this planet, we have a responsibility to protect its natural wonders, not just for their intrinsic value, but for the well-being of future generations. Reducing our ecological footprint, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for stronger environmental policies are just some of the ways we can make a difference. By working together, we can create a future where Australia's unique wildlife can thrive, and its wild places continue to inspire awe and wonder. Education and awareness are paramount. By fostering a sense of connection to nature, we can inspire the next generation to become guardians of this precious legacy. Section 9. Australia's wild heart beats on. As the sun sets over the vast Australian landscape, casting long shadows across the outback, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of this ancient land. Its wildlife, shaped by millions of years of evolution, continues to captivate and inspire, a testament to the power of nature's resilience. The challenges are real, but so is the hope. With continued dedication, collaboration, and a deep respect for the natural world, we can ensure that Australia's wild heart beats on, a beacon of biodiversity for generations to come. The story of Australia's wildlife is our story. It is a story of interconnectedness, of resilience, and of the boundless wonder of the natural world. It is a story that deserves to be told, shared, and protected.